Hi, this is Caramel. I want to do this quick video just to enlighten people who have not joined Artist. If you have not joined and you're thinking about joining, join today. Let me just share something with you. I got a phone call from a young lady whom I brought into this company, and she called to tell me thank you. She's excited about her check and how she's able to pay her bills this month, and she paid off some things this month because she got a check from Artist. So she's calling me and telling me thank you for the opportunity. And I'm thanking her as well because I'm blessed. Somebody shared the opportunity with me. That's how I got into the company. So I'm all about giving back. So I have no problem sharing the information. What about another phone call I got? Another young lady I brought into the company, she got her bonus check. She's calling me saying, thank you, girl. I got that bonus check. I'm loving it. Artist International is what's going on, what's happening now. And right then, I'm thanking her too. Because she joined under that $2.99 and she got that bonus check. But guess who else got a bonus check? I did. Because I brought her into the company and I'm under the $2.99. So I got a 100% matching bonus just like she did. And for everybody I bring into the company, when they get a bonus, I get a 100% matching bonus. And so are you when you join under that $2.99 Power Pack. I can't stress it enough. You're not just giving the company $299. No, you're not. Because for one, you're going to get $299 worth of free product from the company, which you could go out and sell, make your money back, and still be in for the bonus and the commission checks. So you're really not losing. You're truly not. So think about it. Think about it. You get products, you get the 100% matching bonuses, you get rank bonuses, car bonuses. I mean, endless money to be made in this company. So if you haven't joined and you're thinking about joining, join with me. I'm Caramel and I'm with Artist. www.artistlike.com/CaramelLive. Go to my website, check it out, see what it looks like, because you too will have that same website with your name and number on it where you can direct people to it and make money. Can we say bills paid off? Can we say checks in the mail? Can we even say money in your hands? I'm Caramel with Artist. Join with me today. If you want to talk to me directly, feel free to call me at 1-586-441-3795. I would love to talk to you and share more about this business opportunity with you directly. So call me today and let's get to making money today.